As officers attempted to conduct a traffic stop on Compton Avenue, Braceno pulled over to the curb and stopped. Moments later, Braceno suddenly negotiated a U-turn southbound on Compton Avenue and accelerated away at a high rate of speed westbound on East 114th Street. The officers requested the assistance of additional patrol units, an air unit, and a supervisor, as well as initiated a vehicle pursuit. Here is the corresponding radio broadcast.
All units on all frequencies stand by. 810 units in pursuit. 114th and Compton.
Braceno continued driving erratically northbound onto Parmalee Avenue and then westbound on East 112th Street while accelerating at a high rate of speed.
810 for you, what do you have?
Closest trial suspect. You're going to be armed and dangerous.
When you're replying and monitoring. All units on all frequencies stand by. 810 48 is in pursuit.
Braceno committed numerous traffic violations as he continued driving erratically southbound onto South Central Avenue.
Any air unit coming on? Correction, requesting backup air unit supervisor.
You're going to be southbound on Central, approaching Imperial.
Southbound approaching Central. Southbound Central approaching Imperial. 810 48 suspect vehicle.
And then eastbound onto the 105 freeway on-ramp.
Freeway. On Central.
As Braceno neared the 105 freeway entrance, he negotiated a U-turn westbound on the ramp against oncoming traffic, then pulled over near the curb of the on-ramp shoulder.
Sister's going to be facing the wrong way on the ramp on Central 114. Correction.
Hey, he's stepping out, step out.
Suspect facing the wrong way on the ramp. 100.
Braceno exited the Kia holding a red and gray backpack. The officers made repeated attempts to have Braceno peacefully surrender by giving him several verbal commands. However, he did not comply. Moments later, Braceno ran away west towards Central Avenue as officers pursued him on foot. As Braceno reached Central Avenue, he suddenly stopped, turned and faced a pursuing officer while reaching into his backpack, resulting in an officer-involved shooting.
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the... Hey, don't you fucking move! Don't you fucking reach!
Pick your head out of the pocket now! Pick your head out of the pocket now! I'm going to have to kill you. Hey, son. I'm going to have to kill you. Pick your hand out of the backpack. I'm not going back. Pick your hand out of the backpack now. I'm going to have to kill you. Don't reach! Stop reaching!
Get the fuck on the ground!
Hey! Put your head! Drop the bag! Drop the bag! Drop the fucking bag! Don't fucking reach! Don't fucking reach! Don't fucking reach, dude! You're gonna get shot! Pick your head out of the pocket now! Pick your head out of the pocket now! You're gonna get fucking shot! Hey, fine. Pick your head out of the backpack! I'm not going back! Pick your head out of the backpack now! I'm gonna have to shoot.
Location. 810 for your location now.
Stand by!
Control, air breathe the people, no call. I got officers making contact with one.
Got him.
Central, most frequency.
You shot me!
Stand by.
Hey, get a tourniquet. Get a tourniquet.
No.
Get a tourniquet.
Yes,
Get a tourniquet.
You shot me for no reason.
Please continue to stand by.
You shot me for no reason. I didn't reach.
She's at the termination
I didn't
vehicle has
reach.
been cleared.
Oh.
suspect is
Oh, he
close.
shot me.
The suspect in custody. I have a code for over here with the suspect. Please give me an RA rolling. And I need you to respond for traffic control.
I
At
can't
the
breathe.
intersection
Oh, I
of Central
can't
and the
breathe.
105 freeway.
I can't breathe.
Hang on.
Please. I can't breathe. I'm shot. I'm shot.
ATL 20 record.
The officers rendered medical aid to Brasenio by applying multiple tourniquets until paramedics arrived.
ATL 20
Put it right above it.
Ah, shit.
Stop moving, bro.
Oh, he's
All units respond for traffic control, Central
fuck,
and
bro.
105 freeway.
I don't have nothing, you guys. Fuck, I don't have nothing, dude. Fuck.
Stop talking, bro.
No, you shot me. I'm shot. I fucking shot for no reason. I'm shot for no reason. I'm
One
shot.
shooter. Just one shooter.
I don't have no shit here.
Continue to stand by.
Oh, God, you guys.